The Google's official Silicone series cases are some of the few options that match the phone itself in terms of aesthetics. With an embossed logo on the back and a very clean look, it's almost like you're not using a case at all. The fit is nice, and the inside of the case has a felt finish to prevent any scratches. The buttons on the side match the case colorway very nicely, and I found them to be nice and clicky. I've used plenty of soft-touch silicone cases before, but I have to say this is among the most premium finishes I've tested. It feels incredible in the hand and adds very little bulk. It feels even better than the naked phone thanks to the added grip, which is really saying something if you've ever held a Pixel 9 series phone. Around the camera bump, there's a very subtle ramp. It sits just higher than the lenses, so they should be protected if you drop it. The finish here is also super smooth, which I appreciated since the hard edges of the camera bar are my least favorite part of the Pixel 9 series design, at least when it comes to comfort. However, I don't have much confidence in the lip around the screen on the other side. It's barely taller than the OLED panel, and there's no edge to hold it to the front, so it slips down fairly easily. If you buy this case, you'll probably want to buy a screen protector for extra peace of mind. Drop protection as a whole is pretty limited with this case, but that's not unusual for a thin case. If drop protection is what you're after, you'll have to buy a thicker case. At $35, it's pricier than most thin third-party cases, but still reasonable. I wish that Google would have included magnets in the back, which would have made this a much easier case to recommend. As it is, it's still a good choice if you value aesthetics over protection.